It's me. Again, I'm back.
So today we are given a free slot by the Kenyan government. Enda kuona wanyama. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so come with us. Tuone kama tutaona kasimba ama tutaona simba. Let me tell you something, guys. In Tanzania they have their own simba, but we don't know if it's the real simba. Ama sasa today we're going to see the real simba. You know what I mean? And I don't know why people are queuing though. Lakini to queue too. What are we expecting today? So me, I'm expecting to see the real simba. You know what I mean? The real simba, not the Tanzanian simba. No, any Tanzania they give themselves weird names. You know what I mean? Weird names. Simba, ndovu, chui. If you look smart, people will just take you at the front.
Shut up.
You saw the queue, but I'm inside. Just look hot.
We inside.
You have seen the first simba is here.
I'll name it Cody. This is Cody. Honestly, guys, huku nilikuja nikiwa high school. Just came when I was in high school. Sijai kuja tena.
Si tumekuja mara mingi na tusemi. Wewe mbona unasema ukiwa high school?
Why do you want? I'm just saying the truth.
Why are you giving that?
I'm being very honest.
And where exactly are we going to?
There's nothing.
I really don't know where I'm going to. I'm just walking.
There's animal exhibit, classrooms, toilets.
There's an ostrich. I've seen monkeys.
Also a monkey. There. You can zoom it from there. There it is. It's cute. Ooh, there's some culture here, guys. Some size.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a crocodile. It's not dead, it's sleeping.
So guys, we want to try a very big lake. Gari yangu bado ijaland, but 5 years from now, itakuwa imeland.
Sorry guys, mine is still in the showroom. I know I was lying. I'm sorry. It's a Bentley.
We're just going inside, but we don't know if people will see the bigger thing. So now we are in the, the deep states.
Hold your national ID. Kuja hivyo sitaweza kujua kama wewe ni Mkenya.
Oh, this is the second spot.
Wow.
I told you we'll see the lion. I want you to get the difference between Swahili and English.
It's a lioness.
Yes, lion babes.
Yeah. Name super. Hey, amebeba.
Damn. We are used to these.
Yeah, we see this every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just don't have human lion. We just have
real lions.
Real thing. There's a bird here. It's a crow. I don't know if it's a crow or something. Wow.
You can see it has its own
beauty.
Crown. That's a crown. It's inside.
What's this?
I don't know.
This is a leopard. I guess they're the spots. The spots are different.
And the size?
I guess. Okay, which one is the fastest?
Cheetah.
I think there's a mom over here. Duma.
Jutas. Nakula nyama daily naona inama.
Some people are running.
Kenyans, we go where there is trouble.
Wants to come out.
Where there is trouble, Kenyans go see the trouble. So what's
crocodile.
up? It's a crocodile.
I don't know what it is. It's a crocodile. It's a white crocodile. It's here. Unasemanga the easiest thing to kurarua is that thing. Utafikiria ni mawe umeenda kuogelea kwa.
Na ukanyage.
Ikuswipe tu hivi. Alafu imekuingiza kwa mdomo.
Nyingine inakaa ground hapa, inakaa mawe na ground here.
So I'm at work, guys. Just like a side hustle. Yeah.
Kamau. Dongo.
It's a leopard.
The most elusive of the large carnivorous, the leopard is also there.
It's here.
Is it true? Okay.
It's here.
It's a Patrandus.
Yeah.
There's a Patrandus and the other. Where is it? I can't see it.
On top.
I can't see it. Patradus. It's a Patradus. Patradus.
What about Pantraleo?
Not Patraleo, it's a Patradus. Oh, it's there.
I saw it.
Oh my God, sorry, sorry. Aki, why am I stepping on you?
I
Sorry.
don't know why you're stepping on me every now and then.
Kwa nini shot? Kwa nini shot moja?
They are mating.
Wanakulana. Wanakulana. Eh. Kwani ameenda shot? Inaweza kulwa?
That's an African buffalo.
Someone can eat a buffalo.
I don't know. I know someone can eat a wild beast, not a buffalo.
This is a buffalo.
An African buffalo.
But it looks like a cow.
Get this into your mind. Ni wild. That's why unaweza kugaidi ushangae.
So the sun is kissing me in the evening. So if you know you're a Kenyan and you missed out this one,
Sorry.
na unajua hadi utotoni hujaiona mnyama wa msituni isipokuwa kwa televisheni.
Unaonanga tu simba. Simba. Shame on you.
Come out of your comfort zone.
Come
And
see.
try visit some areas that
Toka kwa nyumba.
they'll improve you.
Usifanye Saturday ikuwe ya kufua peke yake. Tembea Kenya.
So these are the people who they want to kill themselves.
This is like killing yourself, eh?
Yeah, this is
Use the pathway.
Sun kiss. Ooh-wee. This is another spot. If you are a shori out there and you don't know how to walk majestically, let me show you where we have some, you know what I mean? Do you know?
I see.
All animals, they know how to like make themselves look like nice.
Pretty.
Watakwe.
Pretty.
Yeah, watakwe.
Period.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
You see?
that's a
Majestically.
peacock. Oh.
Love your phone. No matter how small it's your phone. Chukua hiyo picha hata kama inakaa white.
Hata ni ya mkopo, chukua hiyo picha.
Poses ni hatari. Kuna ingine nimeona hivi.
Na kuna ingine unashika hivi. Unashika hivi. Na hivi.
So you should know these poses are here. Na kwanza uone simba. Ujaona ya selfie? Ogopa! Atasa! Yeah, the selfie ndio deadly. I have my phone with me. Buffalo. Someone has just gifted me this thing, a skateboard. And I don't know how to use it because I'm into cars. I'm not into skateboards.
But
I'm
they are
into-
four wheels. They are
I'm
four
into
wheels.
things that they have a body.
Okay.
This my body will be the body of the car,
Okay.
which will be wrong. Just want to ask like random question.
So I want to show you guys how we used to take water as Kenyans. Like this is how we used to take water. Wash your hands, make them clean. Then you put your hand like this. Okay? Like this.
She's lying. That's not Kenya. Let her be honest where she's coming
It's
from.
so satisfying. Actually, mtu hushiba maji kushinda chupa. So that is how you used to take water.
They used to, not
Frame.
we used to.
No, don't just say they used to. You also was.
No, no, not me.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
That's why by then there are a lot of cases concerning cholera.
Right.
Exactly. But no, we used to. Okay, actually, for us, we were not sick. We were not getting sick. Me actually, hata cholera nasikianga na watu because for us, mimi nimekula uchafu nikiwa mdogo, so nashanga cholera how. So yeah.
I see some amazing girls coming around. Hi guys. Hi. Your favorite wild animal? Cheetah. Oh, you like cheetah?
Why?
You cheat a lot. You cheat a lot. You like cheating.
Joanne, what's your favorite wild animal?
Never give
I think I
them
love the ostrich.
The ostrich.
It was so graceful. Like it was inatembea alafu ina stretching and then ina flap a wing. Yeah, it was so graceful.
Only ostrich.
And maybe the baby giraffe ilikuwa like so graceful. Yeah.
What's your favorite animal? Ooh, when Simba. I see. Na wewe?
Sijui ni cheetah ama ni leopard. Ni leopard.
Leopard. See cheetah? You don't cheat.
No.
Mm.
Okay, cheetah.
You don't
leopard,
cheat.
yeah, stealth.
Ooh, okay. So you got strength.
Stealth.
Strength or strength. Sorry? Stealth.
Like inaweza like si race ionekane like inatulia somewhere. You won't
Where
spot it
no one
easily.
is. Oh, that's something.
How did you get the information about this expensive tour?
TikTok. Okay, I saw someone post, about 27th.
I'm her best friend. Penye yako ni penye niko. We've been here before. Na sijaona any difference. Sijui difference kama kuna difference ama hakuna difference.
Nimewahi kuwa before but ni the same things too.
The same
Okay,
things.
maybe this time nimeona lions ni mingi. Sijui kazi zimeongezeka ama mimi sikuona hiyo saa. But
Oh. And what's your favorite animal?
peahole. Ilikuwa inaitwa nini? Si peacock, peahole.
People.
Oh, peahole.
People. What about you?
I think peacock Juni Rembo. Huh?
People. The people. The Tausi thing.
Yeah, the Tausi.
Okay, that's the Tausi guys or the people. Yeah, apart from the people and everything, what new have you learned from this place?
Sikuwa najua kuna kuanga na cats zinakaa cheetah ama zinakaa sijui ni leopard. But that's the only thing that I've learned that I didn't know.
Sijui, I think mine is out of context. Ni mkiweza ku-organize like something like this, a lot of people can turn up. Just sikuwa na expect tutakuwa wengi hivi.
Oh, you have a question?
What's one thing, and on your opinion, when unaweza taka government improve on when it comes to wildlife sector?
To wildlife. Sijui, maybe, what's it called? Awareness. Teach more people about animals, I guess. Yeah.
Well, for me, okay, tulikuwa tunaongea tu na beshte yangu. Like, you see, yes, I know we pay like a very small amount, but at the end of the day, tunaona vile watu wameturn up leo juu ni free. Like, sisi ni Kenyans, ni Kenya, animals ziko Kenya. So like, why do we have to pay when we pay taxes? So the taxes can run this place and then, sisi tunaweza ingia free. Ndo maana hata saizi watu ingekuwa kitu iko like open to everyone whenever, watu wangekuwa wamejaa hivi. But ama walipishe kitu pesa yani yenye mtu yote anaweza access. Si 10 okay, najua 100 kidogo but 200. But at the end of the day, not everyone can spare like 100 shillings just to come see some animals.
The last question. What one thing when unajua which you like someone to know about that animal?
Well, cats. Sijui hakuna cats hapa but animals in general. So watu wengi wanapeanga cats milk. Cats are not supposed to drink just any milk. Cow's milk, because cow's milk iko na lactose and cats are lactose intolerant. So cats wanafaa wakunywe maziwa yenye ni lactose free.
Tough. T for nini? T for tough. Watu mnalea paka na mnapea paka, mtaua paka yako. And what about you?
Naweza sema female dogs who are on heat. Ikiwa on heat in a bleed, that means that's the best time to meet your dogs.
Pardon?
Like tuseme it
Kimbao.
looks like ni kama period. Mbwa female huwa ina release blood at that time. Hiyo inamaanisha iko on heat. Heat ni kuwa horny. So that's the perfect time when dogs can meet. Yeah.
Tough, guys. I'm not T for tough, and I'm telling you about snakes, guys. I'm telling you about snakes right after the break. Let me take a gulp of water.
What's there?
Lioness, inaikiwa liver mzee. That's lioness.
Naita wanyama hizi uzu. Wanasema ni tebu waambie about ngeli.
Watu wajui vitu zinaitwa ngeli. I was not good at Swahili. But what I know about wanyama iko kwa ngeli ya awa.
How can you
because
say
ni living things.
Hizi nini?
Hawa wanyama wanaitwaje?
Amesema hizi simba.
Hizi simba. Oh.
Amesema nini?
Okay, elewa, they are Kenyans.
No, we don't have to lie, they are Kenyans. Every now and then mtu akifanya mistake.
Primary kwanga.
Ni Mkenya. Mimi Mkenya.
Mistake in Kenya. Until when? We're supposed to go to another level. Yes, I was not good at Swahili, but nakumbuka ya wanyama. Wanyama, awa, vitu, easy. At least niko na clue. I can defend myself in court of law.
What one thing which you know about a certain animal which you would love or you would like some people to know?
Wow, this is something that I've always told everyone and anyone. Whenever a lion is getting old, the hair starts to turn black. Turns black. Like you see, that one, it's turning black. That means it's getting old. Yeah. The more they get old, the more the hair turns black. Yeah.
What about the lioness?
The lioness, I think they tend to become very lazy. They don't like work the way they work. They don't walk the way they walk. They tend to be like sleepyheads. Yeah.
They're waiting for food.
Yeah.
But what I know about lioness, they're the one that they feed lion.
Yeah, they do.
They feed the lion. The lion don't go for hunting. The lioness go for hunting.
How long do you think lion can live?
I think more than 30 years.
Yeah.
More
They
than
do
30.
live. They actually live. They are the okay. Apart from elephants, lions do live. Elephants do live.
Elephant, eagles,
They have so many ears.
they live long.
I heard somewhere an eagle can live more than 100 years.
Yes, because if it gets old, it will
Remove
the furs, all of it, and then it's grow again like a kid.
How do you feel about today's expensive event tumepewa?
It's a reasonable thing to be done for people, and I think it should be done more often because kids are here, big people are here, and we're all happy seeing animals. Yeah,
So, what's your favorite animal?
the lion,
The lion. Everybody just saying the lion, the lion. What does the lion have?
the king. So
He's a king.
the king.
Okay. So, what do you know that people don't know?
Sijui mambo za animals.
You're just a fan. Very
Yes.
fan to a lion.
I'm carried by the crowd.
Oh.
Yes.
We understand.
Giraffe.
Oh, why giraffe?
It's unique.
How do you call giraffe in your local language?
I don't know.
What about lion? Lion.
Simba.
No, your local language.
I don't.
You forgot.
I really don't know my language. Saizi ndo naanza kulearn.
It's understandable.
Say something in your own language, in your local language, anything.
Anything. We mwega.
Oh, so us, our language. So as a sister to sister, we call lion Morodhi. Morodhi wa Juda. Morodhi. Yeah. So giraffe we call it. That one I don't know. That's you should search. You guys should search.
What's one thing which you'd like you by yourself, you'd like the government to improve on when it comes to wildlife?
They should feed them. Aki zinakaa ni kazi ziko njaa. Kwanza hizo lions zimekonda. They should feed them, and hii kitu inafaa kuwa more often. We should be coming more often. Yeah, because it's a free thing. Yeah. It should be free for Kenyans.
Yeah, Kenyans.
It's mandatory.
It's mandatory.
Because they're here.
Yeah. Nafaa kuwa tu nikiamka nasikia kuja National Park na kuja.
ID too.
An ID. Yeah. Everyone should come to these things. Hii kitu ni free. Kujeni. Yeah.
Hi, so that was our video.
of the day.
And it was so interesting. And we were in.
Nairobi National Park.
Yeah, and it was so amazing. We have learned a lot.
It was fun. So fun, like so fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Until nimechora, guys.
That's crazy. So thank you guys for watching this video. This was National Park. We have learned a lot, and make sure you know what I have learned in the National Park. So before you guys leaving, you know something? Outside here, we have so interesting fans. You know what I mean? Team Red, as you can see, red and blue.
I'm blue. I'm blue. I'm blue.
Which school is this?
You look like a student.
Yeah, so guys,
So guys,
thank you for watching our video. We love you so much. And the most amazing thing, make sure you take yourself to learn nature, because nature is what is around us. Don't be this kind of a person that you're so selfish at yourself. So make sure you're coming outside, learn nature, and learn everything that is possible that you know you can learn. I love you guys. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos, and do as necessary that you're supposed to do.
make sure you click the bell part.
Tuombe.
So bye guys, and make sure you click the like, then like, share, bell thing, and we love you all.
Guys, I want to go.
See you in the next one. Bye.
You're watching this video, you think I'm behaving like a kid, but I'm not.
This is my inner child.
I'm not. What I'm doing is enjoying the rhino that is imaginary.
Till next time, guys. Bye.
Love you guys.
Love you.